Hi ma'am, good afternoon. Can you tell me your name and your work experience?
Good afternoon. I'm Emeline Diputado, registered nutritionist dietitian. I'm currently working with Dr. Jerican, a diabetologist in Cebu City, and also connected in Diabetes Center, Perpetual Sucor.
Ma'am, have you had an experience of a push girl of a supermarket and what brand?
I'm pushing the Nido 3 Plus last year at Mercury Drugstore, and 2 years ago, I'm working also in Anglin in this company now.
Can you compute to me the ideal body weight of a 4-year-old kid and please express it in a kilogram?
Example of a 4-year-old child man, this will be the computation. 18 years times 2 plus 8. The 2 should be constant and also the 8. So, like example, a 4-year-old times 2, the answer will be 8 plus 8, the answer will be 16 kilogram.
Can you give us a demo sample of a push girl?
Okay, ma'am, I will try, ma'am. Ma'am, good afternoon. Can I have your short time with you, ma'am?
Okay.
Ma'am, may anak po ba kayo 3 years old na ba?
Meron, 4 years old.
Ano pong gatas ninyo ng anak niyo ngayon, ma'am?
Pinapainom ko yung lacto.
Okay, ma'am. Nandito po ako ngayon sa Nido 3 Plus, ma'am. Ito po isisik sa sustansya at may lactobacillus potentius, ma'am. Ma'am, kailangan din nating alagaan natin anak sa pamagitan ng tamang tulog at tamang pagkain po, ma'am.
Bakit? Ano ba kaibahan yan sa ginagamit kong gatas?
Ito lang po ang gatas na may lactobacillus potentius, ma'am.
Kasi yung problema ko, hindi kasi kumakain ng gulay ang anak ko.
Okay, ma'am. Anong paraan po natin mapakain yung ating anak ng gulay? Halimbawa, ma'am, mag-boil kayo ng kalabasa, tapos i-mash nyo siya, ma'am, tapos lagyan nyo siya ng konting gatas at konting asukal, tapos pwede niyo siyang ipakain sa anak niyo, ma'am. Ma'am, huwag niyo kalimutan naman, Nido 3 Plus po, ito lang po ay sisig sa sustansya at may lactobacillus potentius pa po, ma'am. Ma'am, isalin niyo sa pamilya niyo, ma'am.